Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra. I do lifestyle, beauty, travel, and some fashion videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. That bell will notify you every time I upload a video. So go ahead and ring it so you don't miss out. You guys, I'm so excited about this video. If y'all know me, if y'all been rocking with me on my channel for a while, I love the topic of vaginal health. V-love, taking care of her, she, it, down there. I love that topic, okay? So first of all, if you are a guy, feel free to exit stage left. This video is not for you. This is for my ladies, all right, that with the lady parts. So I'm gonna be talking about some products that I received from a company, and I'm super excited about it. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I want to talk to you guys about a collection of products that I received from a company called Loyal. If y'all don't know anything about Loyal, they're basically a wellness brand that promotes education centered around your bodies and your vaginas. So they have things like suppositories, they have tea tree oil suppositories, they have Orc Asset suppositories, testing strips, panty liners, applicators, they have creams, mist, sprays, whatever. They have a lot, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys some of the products that they sent me. So if you've been following me, you know that I did a video, early on, way back when, about my issue with bacteria infections. And I told you I have a little story. I'm gonna go through it really fast, but if you want, just go back to my channel and search for that, and you guys will find that video there. But basically, my menstrual cycle was causing bacteria infections, and after every single cycle I can guarantee that I would get a bacteria infection. So I kept going to the doctor asking them, oh my gosh, I'm getting a bacteria infection, why do I keep getting them? It was basically recurring. They would prescribe me antibiotics to kill it, but from those antibiotics I would get a yeast infection. And it's just like, okay, I come in for one thing and then I leave with another, you know what I'm saying? And so I was asking my doctor one time, like, what else is there out there? There's gotta be something out there for women like me that get recurring bacteria infections. And she told me about Boric Acid suppositories. She told me how to make my own, so on and so forth. You've been on my channel, you know I've been using Boric Acid suppositories for a while now, way before they became the wave, okay? So what I'm learning through that experience of using the Boric Acid suppositories is that the pH balance is everything, okay? A happy vagina has a pH balance of 3.8 to 4.5. Anything higher than that is mayhem, okay? That's when the bacteria infections started, whatever else. And so I kind of had to learn how to keep my pH balanced after a menstrual cycle. That is very hard to do. So if you're not familiar with things that can disrupt your pH, and I know I had a lot of questions on a previous video about that, but your menstrual cycle is definitely one. Unprotected sex is another one. Semen, okay? It raises the pH level way above 4.5, okay? Semen, all right? Douching, don't be doing that, okay? Your mama and your granny used to do that. That don't work no more. Do not do that, okay? And then moisture. So if you're a person that sweats a lot, or if you go to the gym often, or if you're an athlete, I can completely see this happening. It disrupts the pH, okay? And you wanna get back balance. Now, Loyal does have a test strip for you to check where you're at, and they have these, it's called In My Feels. Oh my God, it's so cute, look at that. In My Feels, P-H-E-L-L-S. These are the pH test strips. They check, test, and maintain. They monitor your pH levels, results in seconds, and supports your self-care routine. This definitely should be in your self-care routine, okay? This definitely should. So this is what it looks like. On the back of this, it has a simple guide whether your pH is low, normal, or high. So if you can see that, you guys. So you definitely want to test your pH when you feel like, something may be gearing up, or it can just be a part of your routine. I work on preventing the bacteria infection from happening. So I test my pH level, and then I treat with the Boric Acid suppositories to prevent. I already know after my menstrual cycle is gonna be crazy. I already know that. That's me, okay? So I work on preventing that bacteria infection from roaring up after a menstrual cycle, okay? So let me show you guys the product that I've been using from Loyal. This is actually their Boric Life Boric Acid suppositories. Now these clean, maintain, and refresh, all right? Supports odor control, promotes vaginal balance, soothes discomfort, okay? So this, first of all, check out the packaging. Yes, ma'am. This is super cute. And let me just show you guys what it looks like. Very small, okay? Very, very small. Nothing too big. If you can see that, that is what the capsule looks like. So basically it's a capsule with boric acid inside of it. So it has boric acid powder, okay? If you know anything about boric acid, look it up. It is the stuff that kill roaches. People be like, you using the stuff that kill roaches? Yes, I don't quite understand it, but it is a godsend, okay? And they do use vegetable capsules. So you vegan people out there, vegetable capsules, okay? It comes already ready for you. All you need to do is pop it in. And the way that you pop it in is with applicators. They actually have applicators, okay? Now, back in my day, when I first started using boric acid suppositories, girl, it was the good old finger, okay? But now they make it easy for you. They have these applicators that you just stick the capsule in, and I'm gonna open this and show you guys. All right. So these are the applicators, you guys. So what you do is you take a capsule and you insert it into the applicator like such, and then you stick it in as far as you can go, not too far. Never be trying to go up to your esophagus, but stick it far enough up there. And then you just push this bottom thing, right? And it'll pop out just like that, all right? So that's how you insert the boric acid suppository. Now, from my experience, you guys, you want to do this at night before you go to bed, okay? Let it sleep, let it simmer, let it get everything out while you're sleeping, okay? Because if you do it during the day, you're most certainly going to have to wear protective gear underneath. Loyal has that for you. These are called the Loyal Light Sleeper Overnight Leak Protection Liners. These guard, restore, and refresh. These, I love these. I've been using these and they keep me dry, okay? So when I'm using the boric acid suppositories, these are catching everything. All right, you guys, so moving on to a product that I feel like is fairly new. I tried it about a year ago and I loved it. But let me tell you how I tried it. What I did, and these are tea tree oil suppositories. They work the same way as boric acid suppositories, but they're tea tree oil suppositories. So what I did about a year ago is I took a tampon and I soaked it in tea tree oil and I inserted it. Worked perfectly. Whatever I had was gone. Okay, if it was a bacterial infection, it was gone. All right, so these are called tea tree oil vaginal suppository melts. They clean, refresh, they balance. They support odor control, restore moisture, promotes healthy pH. They basically brings your pH back to a normal level. So they use Australian tea tree oil, and the natural properties create a balanced vaginal experience. These suppositories are loved for their soothing, deodorizing, and hydrating benefits. So you definitely want to add these to your self-care routine. You can definitely use these after having sex or a couple of days before your period ends. These are good for preventing as well, and they're so soothing. Can you imagine tea tree oil down there? Like, people might think that, ooh, that don't sound too good, but y'all, give it a try. It's so, you'll be feeling refreshed, okay? All right, you guys, I'm gonna talk about 3 other products that Loyal sent me, and I'm absolutely in love with them. Let me show you guys. First is the Intimus. This is a rose water moisturizing deodorant spray. It refreshes, hydrates, balances, and controls odor. Nourishes and soothes, promotes a healthy pH. So basically, this is a blend of essential oils that promotes a healthy pH. It controls odors and reduces itching and discomfort. This smells absolutely amazing. Here is the bottle, you guys. And some of the ingredients in this is coconut oil, olive oil, orange peel oil, leaf oil. You have tea tree oil, lemongrass. I love lemongrass, which is why this smells so amazing. Lemongrass oil, aloe vera oil, elderberry seed oil. So you have a lot of good essential oils in this. And then they also sent the Veggie Soft. This is a honey citrus vulva cream, all right? And basically you use this, you can use this like after shaving or waxing, or just, you know, after taking a bath, period. But you just use it, put it on your fingertips, and you massage it around there, all right? Whenever you feel like you need a little love, it needs a little attention. But basically, this is the Vagisoft, okay? This is the cream. And it has like a Vaseline texture to it. Kind of looks like a Vaseline to me. But it nourishes, hydrates, and balances. It calms and soothes the skin, restores moisture, and promotes a healthy pH. This is full of essential oils, you guys. It has olive oil, sunflower seed oil, avocado oil, aloe vera. It has vitamin E, honey, grapefruit seed extract. So it has a lot of good natural oils, essential oils in here. And like I said, add it to your self-care routine after you shave or after you wax. Just take a little bit, put it on your fingertips, massage it around there, and you're good to go, okay? And then last but not least is the Balanced Goods. Now this is their dietary supplement that contains ashwagandha. Did I pronounce that right, y'all? Comment down below and let me know. So basically these balance, align, and regulate. Here is the bottle here. First of all the packaging is bomb, all right? So I love these because they promote fertility, they balance your hormones, and they regulate periods. Basically, these have become a part of my self-care daily routine. I take 2 a day with all of my other vitamins, my calcium, and my vitamin D. Basically, it balances everything, just a whole body balance, okay? And I love them. So definitely check these out, you guys, if you're interested. All right, you guys, I do need to mention that Loyal is currently hosting a contest where you or your bestie can win a $1,000 shopping spree at Target. They're basically celebrating their launch in Target. So check the link down below in the description box for more information on that contest. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products. And, you know, I'll try to help you out as much as I can. I'm not a physician, okay? I don't diagnose anything. So I may tell you, you know, if you're pregnant, definitely consult your doctor first before trying any of these products. But other than that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye.